this afternoon. We're at Shell Beach Elementary, and we've got Tucker with us today. Tucker, how are you?
Good.
You guys have a nice schedule on Mondays, don't you?
Yes, we do.
What time do you start school on Mondays?
At 9:40.
How long do you sleep in on Mondays?
Till probably 7:30.
Yeah, that's pretty good. All right. Speaking of time, that's the problem you're going to do. You ready?
Okay, yes.
Here we go. The play started at 8:15 p.m. It ended at 10:42 p.m. Do you have any idea what the question might be?
How long was in between these two?
Right, how long was the play?
How long
All
was
right,
the
so
play?
let's go ahead and kind of explain to me how you're doing the problem, because we need to know how long this play is.
Okay. Well, what I'll probably do is I'll probably subtract these two, maybe? Or,
Okay. Well, you could,
Well,
because
say
you want
one,
to see how
two,
much
eight.
time has elapsed.
so in between them?
Right, in between them. Because if we did, let's say you went to school at 9:30
Okay.
and you woke up at 7.
Okay, yeah.
You woke up at 7, you went to school at 9:30. How long were you awake before you went to school?
Oh, so in between 9:30 and 7.
Right.
So that time in between.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so would you subtract that, or?
Well, how would you do from 7? How would you do that other problem? You wake up at 7 and you go to school at 9:30. How long have you been awake? How would you figure that out?
Well, I would subtract it.
Okay, how would you
Two.
subtract it?
I would do, well, for this one, I'd do 10:42.
Well, let's pretend we do this one.
Okay.
Let's do the 9:30 and the 7 o'clock.
Okay.
Because if you want to subtract them, you're going to have to put the larger number on top, right?
Yes.
Okay, so if you want to do that, how would you do that?
Oh. Subtract. So 2 hours and 30 minutes?
So think if that makes sense. You woke up at 7 o'clock.
Yes.
In 2 hours, what time would it be?
9:30.
Well, it would be 9, right? And then the 30 minutes
Oh,
more
yes.
would be 9:30, right?
Yes.
Let's see if this works with this one.
Okay.
All right?
So, let me just erase this one real quick. So we got 10:42, subtract 8, 15.
Right.
Okay, so you cross this out. 12, 7, and then 3 minus 1 is 2, and then 10 minus 8 is 2.
So how long was the play?
2 hours and 27 minutes.
Okay, now what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to work the other way. We're going to start at 8:15, and we're going to get to 10:42.
Okay.
So how would you like to start from 8:15? There's a couple of different ways you could do this.
I would like to add 2 hours.
Okay, so we have 2 hours, and the time is now 10:15.
Yes. And then what I would probably do is I would subtract 42 and 15.
Okay,
So then, let me just do that. 2 and 15. So that's 27 minutes
all right.
in between 42 and 15. So the play would be 2 hours, because I said 2 hours first, and then 27 and 27. So it's kind of just checking your answer. So,
That's exactly what I wanted you to do,
Yes.
because you were going to subtract, right? But there's an also way, instead of going back in time, to start here and go
you can
forward.
add, yeah.
Nicely done, Tucker.
Thank you.